Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Here it is the new finished 400 liters model Kneader mixer for Japan client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material clay and zeolite-based material. And for this gray color, we customized for the client as a requirement. For the motors part, we use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer to support the strong power. And the material contact part, we use stainless steel and mill polish. For the left part, electricity cabinet, the main components we use Kneader brand. And we can see that for the material discharging period, we adopt cylinder tilting method for the material discharging. Both for the top lid open and close and the cylinder tilting and return, we use a hydraulic system. This is a hydraulic station, also equipped with the Siemens brand motor. This is the back view. This is the main driving system, motor, reducer. For the top lid part, we equipped two windows, one with light and another for check during the work. Also, we equipped a manhole, also for the raw material feeding part. And now the mixer has been fitted with the electricity power. Let's focus on the panel. This is the cabinet panel, inverter panel, and the shaft speed would be displayed on the inverter panel. Speed control accordingly. This is temperature for the inside material, watt meter and meter. For the light on the top window, emergency stop button. For the buttons part, for the mixing direction forward, reverse, stop. And this is for the top lid open, close, cylinder tilting and return or back. Please note that we need to open the top lid first and then make the cylinder tilting for material discharging. While for the after discharged period, we need to cylinder back first and then top lid close. And now I would like to make a simple test for it. First we start it forward. We control the speed here. The max speed is 37. We set about half speed and check inside the situation. Open the top light. You can see that it works. We can inside wire this window. Now Sigma blades rotating the forward direction. Also we can check wire the manhole. Now we can see inside clearly double Sigma blades. Now mixing forward, mixing direction. And then we test the max speed. That's it. There it is, 37. Working stable, no problem. Now I stop it. Now speed disappears. And next, I check the reverse direction. The reverse direction can help the material discharging. Reverse. I set the speed 10 approximately, and we check the inside the situation. Now blades working in reverse direction. We check wires manhole. Okay, let's keep this speed. Nextly, I would like to introduce the safety protection system. It is regarding the blue head sensor here. Once the top blade open via the hydraulic system, the mixer will stop. It is for safety consideration. Now I would like to make a display. Top blade open. You can see that just now I have just opened the top lid without any operation on the stop button on the panel. Just the top lid opened, mixer stopped. This is for safety consideration. Now you can see the inside more clearly. And then we can make the cylinder tilting for material discharging, like this, cylinder tilting. Also equipped a limit switch, and it will stop on the position. Okay, so in this way, in this position, material can be discharged out from the chamber. However, even in this situation, I can also drive the blades. This is another function we call it inching switch function or jogging function. I must keep my finger on the button continuously, both for the forward and the reverse direction. For example, keep my finger on forward. Now blades rotate. Once I remove, it will not work. And it is the same principle for the reverse direction, like this. Keep my finger reverse. Blades will reverse, rotating. Okay, now after material discharge, I make the cylinder back. And then I can close the top lid. So just now I have made a simple introduction and the display for the basic function of the new finished 400 liters model Kneader mixer for Japan client. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery, technology company in China. Thanks for watching.